All right, so real quick, I'm going to do a video today for Ethereum Classic. Can the sellers push Ethereum Classic lower? That's our current thesis that we did have on our chart for Ethereum Classic. Will it break down? Is this going to be a breakdown warning that we all need to consider from what the chart is relating to us? You guys can see from our price prediction that we produced on Ethereum Classic on the 26th of November. We were anticipating price to go down, and that has been the majority of the direction of price in Ethereum Classic. But from out the gate, you guys can see that the market in Ethereum Classic did trend bullish. It did trend higher. So depending on time frame, yes, we got this right, or in others, we've got it wrong. If you're looking for a short time frame, yes, we did not get this price prediction correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to first get rid of these pockets of selling here to the market in Ethereum Classic, because back in November, early December, they did not do a great job. You guys can see in Ethereum Classic, the sellers did not hold back the buyers at all. So we can actually get rid of that here. And we will create new pockets of selling, because this is where those sellers actually were positioned to stop the market buyers from continuing to move market up. Okay, so we got one there. And then we have another one here. Okay, now if we were to look at the buyers pockets, we can see that when the reaction of selling did hit the market in Ethereum Classic, we can see right here that those buyers supported the price right around that pocket. December the 9th and the 10th. What did the price do from there? It went up. Went all the way up there towards $34, and then those sellers came back. But then look, those buyers did not support price in this pocket from $27 to $27.50. They didn't do it a second time, so we can get rid of that. We can look at the next pocket then, because when those sellers really pushed price in Ethereum Classic down, they was able to bring price all the way to $24.44, 51 cents to $25.39. You can see here that the buyers were a little bit more relentless in not letting sellers break through this pocket, right? Look at all of these trading days right here. So this is being created or shown as a very strong area of buying. As long as the buyers keep price above that pocket, the idea would be, hey, if anything, we're going to see price trade within the channel with the opportunity to see price go up. Now, the question that we need to answer is, who's controlling this price right now? Is it the buyers or is it the sellers? Let's see. Okay, because what I'm going to do, I think we need to change this pocket from where we originally had it to this area somewhere down here. So what we're going to do, break this down to 330, because we should see a better picture, a more detailed view as to where those buyers are. So you can see it right here. Okay, you see that? Right there on the 20th of December. So if we were to pull that back to the daily time frame, take a look at that. The 13th of January, the market came back to that pocket. The buyers confirmed that they're still there. So yes, the strength is being seen here. All right, this is where the strength is. And this is where the sellers or the weakness resides in Ethereum Classic right here. So we've just completely drawn the battle zones between those who would like to see price go higher and those who would like to see price go lower for Ethereum Classic. So this is the battle zone. We're going to see the market continually to hit these zones, pockets, until one of them gives up, until one of them retreats and market goes in that direction. Okay. So you could say it's like 50-50 between who is going to win in the market for Ethereum Classic and who will not. So we're going to look at this on different time frames real quick. I will have to say that the most recent price action in Ethereum Classic, we might have to give just a little bit of edge to the buyers, just a little bit, because we haven't received the reaction in Ethereum Classic from this 3-day price bar because the buyer stepped in on this 3-day price bar from January the 13th. Here it is on the 4. Okay, what about on the 5? What about Ethereum Classic on the weekly? What I'm seeing here on the weekly chart is the sellers pretty much doing a wonderful job at selling, but the buyers are doing even more fantastic in keeping price from collapsing, all in this pocket. So I cannot reiterate how important it's going to be for the buyers in Ethereum Classic to hold that pocket. Okay. So I think that there might be another opportunity that we may see price lift in Ethereum Classic, but I'm not gung-ho that the market is going to continue to break out to like $40. Like the market is going to break out to all-time highs in Ethereum Classic. I'm not seeing that on the charts. We're creating more and more pockets of selling here in the market for Ethereum Classic that those buyers will have to contend with if that breakout is going to occur. Okay. Now, take a look at this on the 2. 7 hours, 17 minutes left. Look at the current price bar. Then look at the volume. Okay, so something's going on. Either a lot of people are buying this cryptocurrency or a lot of people are selling. And how this price bar prints will give us a massive clue as to which side of the market actually won out. So make sure you check the 2-day price bar at the ending of today. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. We are going to look for price in Ethereum Classic to go higher. Our first target is going to be at this pocket of selling right there, which is $28.59 to $29.30. That's our first target, either at the bottom or at the high of that pocket. Our next target would be right up here around $32, 19.79% there. Then our third target, if it's able to be bullish, remain bullish, will be around $33.50, 25.66 right there. All right, so I am finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.